Listen, I'm just going to say this because I feel like nobody really gives this hard truth. But if you are a real estate agent on social media, please stop buying Canva templates and branding packages from these people that are promising you, 100 personalized posts to your social media, blah, 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 blah. That is not what social media is. And it's certainly not what social media is for real estate. And these companies or these people, they aren't personalized. Like maybe they are, maybe they say your name or your brokerage, but they're also personalizing that exact same template for 500 other real estate agents. There are so many other better ways to market yourself as a real estate agent on social media than using a Canva template that says the top 5 reasons you should use me as your real estate agent. It's outdated, it's not good, and in all honesty, it's kind of a waste of money. And I know, because I was a real estate agent before, they love to spend money. But it really is the truth. There are a million other things you could be doing that cost a lot less money, and that will be 1,000 times more effective. So it's just a PSA. Good luck.